Albert Einstein once said, "Wisdom is not a product of schooling but of the lifelong attempt to acquire it." The question is, in this digital era, how many of us are truly seizing the opportunity to become wiser every day as affiliate marketers? How would you like to make more money online and sharpen your skills by simply adopting certain everyday habits? Exciting, isn't it? Stick around until the end of this video, and I promise, your life as an affiliate marketer will get smarter and richer. Number 1. Be a sifter, not a sponge. The digital space is like an ocean of information, but not all of it is valuable. The smart affiliate marketer knows how to sift the gold from the sand. It's like fishing. You have to throw back the small ones to catch the big ones. Number 2. Be open to change. Remember, the internet is an ever-evolving beast. It's like the weather, constantly changing. And to survive, you need to adapt. Keep yourself open to new technologies, strategies, and niches. Number 3. Learn by doing. Nothing, and I mean nothing, replaces the effectiveness of hands-on experience. It's like cooking. You can read 1,000 recipes, but the real test comes when you start cooking. Number 4. Never stop networking. Your network is your net worth. The more people you connect with, the more opportunities you get. It's like a spider's web. Even a tiny web can catch a big fly. Number 5. Develop a daily reading habit. Subscribe to marketing blogs, magazines, and podcasts. Fill your brain with quality content every day, just as you'd fuel your car for a long journey. Number 6. Analyze and optimize. Take niches you are already working with and find ways to make them better. It's like gardening. Sometimes you need to prune and trim to allow for new growth. Number 7. Embrace failure. Failures are simply stepping stones to success. Think of it as a science experiment. Failed results still lead you closer to the answer. Now that we've shared these nuggets of wisdom, it's time to apply them. You see, the journey of a smart affiliate marketer starts with putting knowledge into action. Which one of these habits are you going to start with today? Share in the comments below. And hey, if you don't want to miss out on any savvy money-making ideas, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Clever Money Ideas, and don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated. Because here at Clever Money Ideas, we believe in making your money work for you.